Hello everybody. Today we can see the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI BNP CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI BNP CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2 ml calibrator low, 2 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml ABI label, 10 ml dilute, 2 ml control 1, 2 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 130206516M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is C certificate IVD product. This is the pictorial representation of one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to see the other angles. In this angle we can see the brand name Snibe MAGLUMI. On the other side we can see the brand name Snibe MAGLUMI. On the other side we can see the product name MAGLUMI BNP 130206516M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall representation of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, the first product is instruction manual provided by Snibe MAGLUMI. Here we can see the brand name Snibe MAGLUMI, product name MAGLUMI BNP CLIA, C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this kit 130206516M, 100 test. Here we can see the intent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage stability, and lot of stuff in this instruction manual. And keep this aside. And the next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal stickers. Here we can see clearly the BNP, total of 3 nurses. And the next one is BNP control stickers, total of 8 nurses. The first 4 one is control 1, then the second 4 one is control 2. Here we can see clearly BNP control 1, then the second 4 one is BNP control 2, total of 8 nurses. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. Keep this aside. The next one is control solutions, control 1 and control 2, a packet in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking we can see clearly the control solutions. The white color cap is control 1 and red color cap is control 2. I am taking the one. Here we can see clearly MAGLUMI volume of 2 ml BNP control 1. And the next one is BNP control 2, MAGLUMI volume of 2 ml BNP control 2. And keep this aside. And the next one is MAGLUMI BNP reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2 ml calibrator low, 2 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml ABI label, 10 ml dilute. Now we are going for summary. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI BNP CLIA. This reagent kit contains an instruction manual, a reagent seal, a control stickers, a QC certificate, a control solutions, control 1 and control 2. Then the reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2 ml calibrator low, 2 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml ABI label, 10 ml dilute. Thank you.